In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install IPTV on VLC Player. This is an easy process, and by the end of this video, you'll be streaming your favorite IPTV content directly through VLC. So, let's get started and make sure you have everything set up perfectly. First things first, you'll want to begin by launching VLC Media Player. If you haven't already installed VLC on your device, it's available for download on a variety of platforms including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. VLC is a versatile player that supports a wide range of file formats and, importantly, it doesn't require any additional plugins or extensions to play IPTV streams. Once you've opened up VLC, direct your attention to the menu bar located at the top of the window. Here, you'll want to click on Media. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, choose the option labeled Open Network Stream. This feature is particularly useful for playing content that is hosted online, which is precisely what we need for IPTV. Now, you should see a new window pop up, and this is where the magic happens. Locate the field labeled Network URL. In this box, you will paste your IPTV M3U URL. This URL is essentially a link to your playlist of channels, and it should be provided to you by your IPTV service provider. Make sure you copy the entire URL without any mistakes, as even a small error can prevent the playlist from loading correctly. With your IPTV M3U URL pasted in the network URL box, you're all set to stream. Go ahead and click on the play button at the bottom of the window. VLC will then proceed to load the IPTV channels from your playlist. This might take a few seconds to a minute depending on your internet connection and the size of your playlist, so be patient and let VLC do its thing. Once VLC has finished loading, you'll see a list of available channels appear. You can now use the playlist on the right side of the window to navigate through all the channels provided by your IPTV subscription. Simply click on the channel you'd like to watch, and VLC will begin streaming it for you. A few additional tips to enhance your experience. If you often switch between channels or playlists, consider bookmarking your IPTV URL or adding it to your VLC favorites for quicker access next time. Also, adjusting VLC's settings can optimize streaming quality according to your network connectivity, which is particularly useful for those experiencing buffering issues. And that's it! You've successfully installed IPTV on VLC Player and are ready to enjoy seamless streaming. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a comment or share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!